Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin s squared plus cosine s squared equals to number 1. So I will put this one go to the left or go to the right, sorry, and we have cosine s squared equals to 1 minus sin s squared. So this one we change by cosine s squared, and this one we have cosine s. Next, this one that is about identities, so we have sin s minus number 2, everything to the power of 2. So we have number 2 and the square root we cancel. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin s minus number 2. So we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have cosine s. This one you got number 0 because this is about the constant. So this one we change by u. This one we change by the u. So this one we have u to the power of negative number 3 du. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. About this one we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. About u, that's it, about sin s minus number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.